Hello friends, welcome back to this channel of Daily Dose of Mathematics. So today we are going to today we are going to prove this problem, okay? This is given left hand side, this is left hand side it is given and right hand side it is given. So we have to show that this is going to be 1. How to prove this is going to be 1, okay? So we know, means ମୁଁ ପଢ଼େଇଥିଲି କ'ଣ okay, this one. You can see this is the first quadrant, the second quadrant, and this one is the third quadrant, and this was in the fourth quadrant. एठी कौन करथिला में after school to college. ता माने all trigonometric signs are positive here, and only sine is positive. If sine is positive, the inverse of sine is what? 1 by sine will be what? Cosec is positive in the second quadrant. Here it is 90 degree, and here it is 180 degree. This is 0, and this is 270. Again, this is 360 है एटी तो tan पॉजिटिव है माने एटी cot पॉजिटिव एटी cos पॉजिटिव है माने कौन sec पॉजिटिव है तापर आगोटे प्रॉपर्टी मन रखो cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sec of minus theta will be, how it will reflect, we know that sec theta means cos of minus theta, but cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. So it is going to be sec theta. So sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. Hala? Here you cannot see the minus here, but it is minus, okay? Now we are going to solve. Here LHS is given. What is LHS? LHS. LHS is cos 90 plus theta into sec minus theta. Sec of minus theta into tan of 180 minus theta. Hala? Divided by sec of 360 minus theta into sine of 180 plus theta into cot of 90 minus theta. Okay. बर्तमान देखो cos of 90 plus theta. You can see here this is the first term. Cos of 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta माने देखो it is this one is a 90 degree. We know that cos of 90 plus theta is equal to कौन चेंज हो तार साइन चेंज हो, so it is going to be sin theta. But here cos is what? In the second quadrant cos is what? It is going to be negative, because in the second quadrant only cosec theta and sin theta is positive. That's why it is going to be what? Negative कौन sin theta है. So instead of this one I am going to replace negative sin theta. Okay, now I am going to write negative sin theta, okay, into, next go for this one. This is sec theta, but here we have proved that this is going to be sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. So instead of this one I am going to replace this sec theta. So I am going to write down sec theta, okay, into what is tan 80 minus theta? Tan 80 minus theta. Tan 80 minus theta will be tan 80 minus pi minus theta is what? It will be tan theta. But tan pi minus theta means this will be in this quadrant, because this is 180 degree. 180 degree means that is pi. Pi minus theta means here in the second quadrant. But in second quadrant tan theta is what? Negative. That's why instead of tan of 180 minus theta I am going to replace minus tan theta. Hala? So minus tan theta. Okay. Now this is divided by, now you can see what? Sec 360 minus theta. Sec 360 minus theta means 360 minus theta will be here, okay, in this quadrant, means in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant sec theta is positive, so we are not going to change anything. It is going to be, instead of sec 360 minus theta it is going to be sec theta only, okay. So I am going to write down sec theta. Again here you can see sin 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means this is 180 plus theta means in this third quadrant. But in third quadrant see sin 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta रे ए साइन टा कि चेंज हेबनी ट्रांसफॉर्म कला बेलको हैला. It is going to be as usual, but according to this angle whether it is going to be negative or positive we have to check. Okay, so 180 plus theta means in this quadrant, means in third quadrant. In third quadrant, only tan theta and cot theta is positive, and remaining trigonometry functions are negative. That's why it is a what? Minus sin theta. So instead of this sin 180 plus theta, I am going to replace minus sin 180 plus theta. Okay? So minus sin theta. Okay? Next, cot 90 minus theta. Again, cot 90 minus theta is equal to what? 90 minus theta means in this quadrant, here everything is positive. That's why cot 90 minus theta is equal to what? Tan theta. So here it is equal to tan theta. Tan theta. Okay. So what happens here, you can see this is going to be how much? This is going to be this one will cancel out each other. This one and this one will cancel out each other. So sin will cancel, sec will cancel, tan will cancel. So remaining is what? Minus 1. Okay, sorry, this one is minus 1. This one is minus 1. Okay, we need to prove. So the final answer is what? The final answer is, you can see this sin theta and this sin theta will cancel. Then sec theta and this sec theta will cancel. Then this tan theta and this tan theta will cancel. So the remaining answer will be what? Negative 1. Okay. So we have proved the right hand side. This is the thing. So you need to remember one formula. I am going to write down. Okay. The formulas are if sin n pi plus theta, then it is going to be minus 1 power n into sin theta. Hala? You remember this one. Then cos n pi plus theta will be equal to minus 1 power n. It is going to be again cos theta. Okay. Again tan n pi plus theta will be always what? Tan theta. When n is odd. Okay. When this n is odd. Coventa. If this n is odd. Odd mane kono? 1 epare, 3 epare, 5 epare. Means it is in the terms of 2n plus 1 format or 2n minus 1 format. Okay. Odd mane kono? जो संख्या की 2 द्वारा completely divide हेई नथिबो से संख्या को आमे कोन कहबा odd बोली कहबा. इवन माने कोन? जो संख्या 2 द्वारा completely divide होतिबो ता माने रिमाइंडर इज 0 ऑलवेज. बुझी पारछ ना? माने भागशेष जदि 0 रहला, गोटे संख्या को जदि 2 द्वारा डिवाइड कला परे भागशेष 0 रहला, से वाला संख्या कोन कहंती? जुग्म संख्या बा इवन नंबर बोली कहंती. आ जो संख्या को 2 द्वारा डिवाइड कला परे भागशेष 1 रहला, से वाला संख्या कोन कहबा? ऑड नंबर बोली कहबा. हैला? सो tan n pi plus theta is equal to tan theta when this n is odd. बुझेला? Now sin n pi by 2 plus theta. Sin n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 by 2 into cos theta. You need to remember all these formulas so that we can speed off while performing the problem. Okay. Sin theta, and this will be tan of n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Okay. You please keep remember this one. This is the very important formula that we need to know. Hala? Hala? This is one of the important formula that we need to know. Now I am going to discuss what is odd function and what is even function. Okay. What is odd function and what is even function? First, even function. Even function माने कौन? Even function माने होची a function is said to be even function of x if f of x satisfy the relation. देखो, a function is said to be even function even function if f of minus x is equal to x है देख फंक्शन टा f आ वेरिएबल टा होची x है ये फंक्शन केते बेले जिते बेले गोटे फंक्शन रे माइनस x पुट कला पर भी दैट फंक्शन इज नॉट चेंजिंग सपोज आई विल गिव वन एग्जांपल f of x is equal to x square plus कौन 3 है तुम रिप्लेस करो एफ एक्स बदल तुम माइनस एक्स जब रिप्लेस करो सो माइनस एक्स आम रिप्लेस कल एफ ऑफ माइनस एक्स जब माइनस एक्स रिप्लेस कले एक्स बदल कौन हम माइनस एक्स पावर 2 प्लस 3 तो माइनस एक्स इंटू माइनस एक्स आंसर केते सेम एक्स स्क्वायर कहीं माइनस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू ऑलवेज व्हाट प्लस माइनस इंटू प्लस इज इक्वल टू माइनस प्लस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू माइनस एंड प्लस इंटू plus is always plus. Okay, you remember this one. So here minus x is multiplied 2 times. That means this is going to be x square plus 3. So what is this x square plus 3? It is same as the previous one. So this is nothing but f of x. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. So in this format means we have seen that this function is not changing. When we are changing the value of x into minus x, that time the function is not transforming into some other form. It is the exact same function that we have seen previously. Okay, that's why a function is said to be even function if f of x minus f of minus x is equal to f of x, if this condition satisfies. Okay, and what is an odd function? Odd function mane odd function. What is not odd function? Odd function mane hochi jodi f of minus x will be equal to minus f of x है से भाया फंक्शन कौन कहबा ऑड फंक्शन बोली कहबा ऑड फंक्शन माने कौन कहली जेते बेले देखो आई विल गिव वन एग्जांपल होची कौन f of x will be suppose x cube plus 3 है ना x cube plus 3 नहीं हाँ x cube है x cube minus x cube plus x so now what we are going to do is we are going to replace this x by minus x. So f of minus x will be equal to, you put instead of x, you put minus x. So minus x power 3 plus minus x. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of minus x to the power 3? It means the minus x is multiplied 3 times. Okay. So if the minus x is multiplied 3 times, it is going to be what? X is equal to x square. Now this minus is multiplied 3 times, so minus into minus into minus. So minus into minus is what? Plus, because we have studied here. Into minus, plus into minus is equal to minus, we have studied here. Okay, so it is going to be minus x cube. Minus plus into minus is equal to this, plus into minus will be minus again. So now the minus, if you will take the common minus x cube plus x. But what is x cube plus x? This is nothing but the original function. So this is equal to minus f of x. So we have found f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Okay. So this kind of function is known as odd function. So this is an odd function. Okay. Completely bujla what is an odd function and what is an even functions. Okay. Then what is a periodic function? Okay, what is a periodic function? Periodic function माने होची periodic function रे meaning होची गोटे particular time परे अगर repeat हबो हैला बुझी पारछ ना that is a period. हमर मासटा होची गोटे period काहे ना गोटे सप्ताह पर आउ गोटे सप्ताह उतर पुनर्बार रिटर्न होची सेम कि बा डे गोटे डे रे केते 24 घंटा रिपीट होची आज 24 घंटा सरला नेक्स्ट दिन 24 घंटा आसिला बुझी पारछ नहीं तापर ता नेक्स्ट दिन 24 घंटा आसिला माने गोटे पार्टिकुलर टाइम लिमिट परे जिनसटा उतर रिपीट हेबो माने 1 रु आरंभ होला 1 2 3 4 5 कि 12 होला तापर आउतर रिपीट होची बुझी पारछ नहीं गोटे माने पार्टिकुलर टाइम लिमिट होची 12 तापर 12 पर आउतर घंटा कंटा हम देखुछु कोन आउतर 1 आरंभ होची 1 2 3 4 5 एमती कोई 12 पर्यंत होची तार 12 पर आउतर रिपीट होची 1 2 3 4 5 सो से बोले फंक्शन को हम कोन कहबा पीरियोडिक फंक्शन बोली कहबा दैट मींस गोटे फंक्शन f x ए टी टा होची पीरियड ए टी पीरियड पर आउतरेटा एफ ऑफ एक्स हो जाए बुझी पारलो ना दैट इज कॉल्ड पीरियड. देखो sin x टा आर पीरियड केते ना 2 पाई द पीरियड ऑफ sin x इज 2π कहीं ना sin x फंक्शन 2π पर आउ थे रिपीट हे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू शो दिस वन ओके ग्राफ देख sin x और ग्राफ कौन एटा 0 0 रु इठी मैक्सिमम गला कौन एटा होची पाई 2 पर आसला पाई पर आसला मिनिमम गला हैला पाई पर मिनिमम ही गला एठी 3π/2 तापर 2π हैला तार एटा होची गोटे पीरियड एटा होची कंप्लीटली गोटे sin x और गोटे ग्राफ तापर एटा आउ थर रिपीट हे एमथि सेम बुझी पारछ ना एटा एमिति कि एमिति आसी बातर माने देखो एति रेति गला पर देखो एठू मन कर तुम एठू नियो एठू एमिति आसला एठी एटा गोटे हला तापर आउ थर सेम एमिति आसिला बुझी पारछ ना रिपीट हला एई जो पैटर्न अछि ना कि एई पैटर्न आउ थर रिपीट हला एठी से जो फंक्शनटा गोटे पार्टिकुलर माने गोटे वैल्यू पर से फंक्शन आउ थर सेम पैटर्न रिपीट करिवो से बडा फंक्शन कोन कहबा हमें पीरियोडिक फंक्शन बोली कहि था हैला ओके then I will solve so many other formulas means other problems in the next classes okay please stay tuned okay bye